Good morning, I am Shashi Gurung and welcome to online learning programming in C++. Today, I will discuss on the topic related to converting the hexadecimal number system into its equivalent octal number system. In this topic, the first step is to convert the hexadecimal number system into its equivalent binary number system, and from binary number system, it will be converted into its equivalent octal number system. So let's start with the example. In this example, we will see how to convert the hexadecimal number system into its equivalent octal number system. The first step to convert the hexadecimal number system into its octal number system is first it will be converted into binary form. After that, it will be converted into octal form. Suppose 3a, which is in a hexadecimal form, so this will convert into binary form. Now from conversion hexadecimal to binary form, each digit of the hexadecimal number system will be represented in a 4 bits. That is, the binary representation of 3 is 0011 and the binary representation of A, which is 10 in hexadecimal, is 1010. So the final value after skipping these two 0 is 111010. So this is final binary number system. Now from this binary number system, it will be converted into octal number system. As we know that the conversion from binary to octal, the grouping of 3 bits will be done. So you can see that this 111 is equal to 7 and this 010 is equal to 2. So the final value is 72, which is octal number system. Let's take another example, that is 3f. Now this is to be converted into octal number system. The first step is it will first convert into binary form. The binary representation of 3 is 0011 and the binary representation of f is 1111. F is 15 in hexadecimal number system. So this is binary equivalent number. After skipping these two 0, the final value will be 111111. So this is final binary number system. Now from binary number system, it will be converted into octal number system. As we know that from binary to octal, the grouping of 3 bits is done. Again, these 3 bits and these 3 bits. So you can see that this 3 bits is equal to 7 and these 3 bits is equal to 7. So the final value is 778. So this is octal number system. That's all about converting from hexadecimal number system into its equivalent octal number system. So today in this video lecture, you have understood how to convert the hexadecimal number system into its equivalent octal number system by first converting into its equivalent binary number system, and then after grouping of 3 bits, it is converted into its equivalent octal number system. You take any number and convert that into its equivalent binary and into its equivalent octal number system. So thank you.